Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to walk through the announcement I just sent out and show you guys where you can find all the resources you're going to need today for your assignment. So let's go ahead and take a look at the announcement. So today is Flexible Learning Day 4. So today, going to be pretty simple. So you're just going to fill in some of the notes and watch a video. But tomorrow you're going to be putting into practice what you learned today. So it's really important that as you're filling in those notes, you're not just looking for the words to fill in the blanks, but you're also reading through them and letting me know if you have questions. So a few things you need. So you need your guided notes packet. So that is the packet here that I passed out the Friday before school let out. If you were one of the ones who were not here on Friday, I also put a link to where you can find those notes. So you can either print them out if you have a printer, or they're a PDF, so you can just fill them in if you have a PDF reader that way. The other thing you're going to need is the Evolution Notes PowerPoint. I put a link here, but also be aware that all this stuff is still on our Evolution module, so you can find it all there as well. The other thing you're going to need to do is find the Myths of Evolution video. So in our module, it's right underneath Section 1, Evidence for Evolution. And I'll show you how to get to that in just a second. So you're going to fill in the guided notes up to slide 19. So that's going to be the first 2 pages or the first page front and back of the notes. Once you get done with that, you'll watch the Myths of Evolution video, and don't forget to complete your learning log. I'm getting a lot more of those trickling in, so thank you for that. Today my office hours will be from 1 to 3, so I'm going to be utilizing conferences again. So you can click on that link to find the conference. I haven't started one yet, but I'll start one at 1 today and have it open until 3. So if you have questions during that time, I'll be happy to help you. Okay, so I put in links so you can just jump to each thing that you're going to need, but I'm also going to show you where you can find them on our Canvas homepage. So I went ahead and this unit had a lot of materials on it, and so I went ahead to try and simplify things a little bit and unpublish what we haven't used or will not be using today, and then as the days go on, I'm going to publish those so you can see them. I think it just helps clean it up a little bit. So anyway, you're going to need the PowerPoint for today. That's this right here, Blended Evolution PPT. That stands for PowerPoint. So I'll just go ahead and click on that to show you what it looks like. So I would recommend instead of filling it in on this screen, I would go ahead and download it if you can, because sometimes the text gets messed up if you don't. So I'll show you here what these look like. So this is the front. So you're going to go through and fill in all the way to slide 19. Oh, I went one too far. Too far. So this is the last slide, slide 19, that you'll be filling in today. Okay. All right. So I'll go back to our home page. Again, if you need the notes, they're right here, blended, guided notes blank, so you can click on that. The video you're going to need is going to be right here. So we already did this video and discussion. So this is the video you're going to need today, the Myths of Evolution. So again, just filling in those notes, watching that video. Tomorrow we'll put into practice what you learned today. Again, let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys are all staying healthy, doing well. Miss you all, and you'll get to see my face tomorrow morning.